VacLife for this video to share with you their rechargeable handheld vacuum. And VacLife is giving one away to one of my subscribers, so be sure you stay until the end to see how you can enter to win. This rechargeable vacuum offers a powerful brushless motor and allows you to pick up all kinds of debris effortlessly. And during this time of year, I'm sure I'm not the only one who has glitter everywhere. After 4 hours of charging, the battery has 22 minutes of run time. I use this on the computer in my office to remove the dust that's been collecting for a while now. Shh, don't tell Mr. C. And it did a wonderful job. The detachable HEPA filter is easy to clean. Just run some water over it, and you never have to worry about losing suction power or it clogging with dust. Not only is this perfect for cleaning around your home, it's also perfect for your car. If you want to check out VacLife and all of their products, I will link them below. And I'm looking forward to one of you receiving your very own to clean up any glitter bombs that have gone off in your home during your holiday decorating.